Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to look at number 4, mathematics paper 1. We are told that Leonora was on top of a cliff, 30 meters high, sees two boats P and Q out at sea. Both boats were in the same line, and the angle of depression from Leonora to P was 42 degrees, and the angle of depression from Leonora to Q was 27. Calculate the distance between the two boats. Remember to subscribe to this channel and to also share the link with friends. Let me start by sketching this information, whereby we can assume that this is the sea. The sea level is here. Then now we are having the cliff, which is vertical. This is where Leonora is at the top. So while she is at the top, there is what we call the horizontal line of view, such that she views objects horizontally through that line. But now for her to see where the boats are, she needs for boat P to incline her eyes through an angle of 42 degrees. And while she's still at the top, for her to see the other boat, which is Q, she needs to incline her eyes through an angle of 27. Therefore, through an angle of 27, she inclines her eyes to see boat Q. Then 42, we have P. This is the 30 meters high. So now we can calculate the distance between the two boats, because when I will start applying trigonometry, I will look at my question and I will say that because the line of view is horizontal and she's making an angle of 42, then it means together with the ground level, or where the two boats are, the water level, there will also be a 42. Those are alternate angles. And again, this will be 27 also. So with an angle of 42 and a vertical height of 30, and this being right angled because the cliff is very vertical, we will be able to get the distance from the cliff to P, whereby we can apply the tangent of 42 being given by the opposite length 30 out of the length CP from the cliff to P. So for us to get length CP, then we require 30 divided by tan 42 degrees. So 30 divided by tan 42, this gives us 33.32. 33.32 meters. Then again, we can talk about the distance from C to Q, again using the same vertical height, and we will express the tangent of 27 degrees given by the opposite length 30 divided by the adjacent length, which is a CQ. So to get CQ now, we need 30 divided by tan 27 degrees. So 30 divided by tan 27, this gives us 58.88. 58.88 meters. So from C to Q, 58.88. From C to P, 33.32. This means now we can get the distance from P to Q by taking 58.88, then we subtract 33.32, and this is going to give us 58.88 minus 33.32. This gives us 25.56 meters, sorry, not centimeters, distance in meters. So that is how we calculate the distance between the 2 points, or the distance between the two boats P and Q.